Morning, Stephen. Ron here in frosty Orfordville, Wisconsin, Burton Chevrolet. Going to do a quick video walk around on the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. Reduced 21,750. Certified one owner, 22,000 miles. Nice, clean vehicle. Get in here and kind of take a look around. Sorry for the sun. Okay. Heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, name a few. Okay. Headlights auto on. Alright, let's take a look in the back here for you. Okay. There are captain's chairs, second row. Rear control for heat and air. USBs down there for the kids' iPads, cell phones, what have you. Okay, again, a nice clean vehicle for 2017. 22,000 miles. Open it up here. She's a little froze. All right. Okay. Take a look here in the back. I'm going to fold the third row down for you. Second row's up a little too close for it to fold down flat. They do fold down flat as well as the second row seats. All right. More cargo room under there. Again, 2017 Chevrolet Traverse LT. Reduced 21,750. Carfax certified one owner. Any questions? My name is Ron here at Burton Chevrolet. Again, Ron at Burton Chevrolet. Thank you.